Hello friends, welcome to Spider Themes. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Clarity on WordPress.
It is a free website analytics tool that shows how users interact with your site by heat maps, session recordings, behavior insights.
Let's get started. First, go to Google and search Microsoft Clarity. Go to the Microsoft Clarity official site and sign in with your email and create a Clarity project with a project name and website link. Here, you can install Microsoft Clarity using a third-party platform like WordPress and many more, or install it manually. Go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins, and select Add Plugin. Search Microsoft Clarity and install the plugin and activate it. Simply enable the cookies in Clarity, and within a few seconds, it will be ready to see all the Clarity analytics. However, it may take a few hours for Microsoft Clarity to collect and process the analytics data from your website. Once the data is ready, you will be able to view the complete reports in the Clarity dashboard.